Hi there YouTube, how's it going? I'm Jerry and I'm the host of this new program, the Chi-Town Griller. It's June 2020, never too late to start a new channel, right? Anyways, like a lot of you, I've been spending a lot more time at home these days. Being at home is great, but it's created a whole new set of challenges. One of these challenges is that my go-to recipes are getting a little bit tired. Now, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned chef, looking up new recipes online can be very daunting. Recipes online tend to be very long, have a very long ingredients list, or the ingredients are very hard to find and things that you simply don't stock at home. Now, I ran into these same problems and had one very simple solution. Just grill it. Now, grilling is great because a lot of the recipes tend to be very simple. Many of the recipes that I will share can be made with 10 or fewer items, many of which can be even done with 5 or fewer items. And that is my goal for this channel, to give you simple recipes, simple ingredients, simple grilling, yet not compromising on taste or flavor. All these recipes will be prepared right here on my patio on this Weber Q2000 gas grill. So now, with the introduction out of the way, I'd like to present to you my inaugural dish for this channel, grilled crispy buffalo chicken wings. All right, and here we are in the kitchen. We are getting ready to prepare our dish, grilled buffalo chicken wings. As you can see, we can prepare this dish with just 9 ingredients. We're starting out with 1 pound of cut chicken wings, salt and pepper, olive oil, Frank's Red Hot Original Hot Sauce, ranch dressing, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a couple sticks of both celery and carrots. Now, if you don't care about the sides or any fixins or doctoring up your hot sauce, then this recipe is down to just 5 ingredients. Okay, and now we've unwrapped our chicken wings and put them in a bowl. As you can see, they come in both sorts of pieces, the flats and the drumettes. Now, I got these chicken wings from Mariano's, which is a supermarket chain here in Chicago, and maybe elsewhere. I have found that about 1 pound of wings is good for 1 person, and 2 pounds of wings are good for 2 people, and so forth, but adjust accordingly. The first step to getting these wings prepped is to pour olive oil over the top of them. Now, I don't really measure them out, I just pour over the top and get plenty on there because it's what helps prevent them from sticking to the grates and gives the wings their crisp. The second step is you're going to add the salt to taste. And then you're going to take your pepper and also add the taste. I tend to add quite a bit of pepper, but go a little bit light on the salt because there's plenty of salt in the hot sauce, and the pepper is what kind of gives it a little bit extra flavor. Then you're going to put your hands in there, mix them up, and get all the oil, salt, and pepper over all of the chicken. And now they are ready for the grill. Okay, and out here on the patio, we've preheated this grill on high for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now the first thing you're going to want to do before you cook is you're going to want to scrape these grates clean of any grease or residue from previous cooks. The reason is the chicken skin will stick if there's any residue left on these grills, so let's scrub this nice and clean. Now that our grates are clean, we're going to go ahead and put our chicken across the grill grates after turning it down to a low heat. Now the reason why chicken cooks on a low heat is so that it cooks all the way through but prevents the chicken skin from burning. So let's go ahead and lay these out nice and evenly, and then we will close the lid and keep on cooking for about 40 minutes. Now don't wander too far because we're going to want to turn the chicken about every 8 minutes. The chicken will stick to the grates if you wait too long, so 8 minutes seems to be about the sweet spot. So let's give these all a flip. And now they're all flipped, and we'll close the lid and we'll check on these every 8 minutes and give them a turn. Now, as we get close to the end of 40 minutes here, we want to prepare our sauce. We have some butter in a pan, our whisk, and now we're going to go ahead and pour about 4 to 5 ounces of that hot sauce and whisk it around a little bit. Now, I generally use that little amount of hot sauce, 4 or 5 ounces, all you need because I don't like my wings drowning in sauce, and I find it easier to control the amount of sauce that you coat on these wings by using a smaller amount. And out here, back out on the patio, we are at the 40-minute mark, so we're gonna take these chicken off the grill. And we're just gonna plop it right into the pan with that sauce that we've just prepared, one at a time. And once we get all that chicken in there, we're gonna just kind of shake it around, and we're gonna use our tongs and toss it around. And if you see any bare spots, get it covered in that sauce. You should have just enough sauce to get a light layer on all those wings. And back inside, we have our final dish plated up with the celery, carrots, and ranch dressing. Grilled, crispy buffalo chicken wings. So there you have it. That's my take on grilled buffalo chicken wings. If you're able to try it out, let me know how it went in the comment section down below. But most of all, thank you so much for joining me on my inaugural YouTube video. If you really enjoyed what you saw, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button or subscribed. I will be coming out with new content every single week, so until then, stay safe and I will see you next time.